Anxiety and depression can feel like a heavy burden on your shoulders. But don't worry, there are ways to cope. This video will go through the different coping skills available to help you manage emotions associated with anxiety and depression, as well as how to process them. Coping skills for anxiety and depression can include 1. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that helps you focus on your present moment and relax your mind. It can help you manage anxiety and depression by helping you focus on your breathing and focus on your thoughts. 2. Talking to a friend or family member. Talking to someone can be a helpful way to process emotions. It can help you to feel heard and understand, which can help ease anxiety and depression. 3. Practicing stress relief techniques. There are many different techniques for stress relief. Some people find that yoga or meditation are helpful, while others find that exercise or reading can be helpful. It's important to find what works best for you. 4. Seeking professional help. If you find that managing emotions is proving to be difficult, it may be worth considering seeking professional help. Many mental health professionals can provide support and guidance, and can help to provide the tools you need to manage your emotions.